How to delete repost on X app. So if you want to delete a repost on X app, then you just need to simply open up your X application. So I'll be here going with my Google Chrome. It's the same thing in your application or in your browser. So simply open up your application. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you just need to simply go with your post. So go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and then again tap on profile. Once you tap on profile, now here you will have all of the posts that you have posted, right? So if you've not reposted anything, then I'll just show you. So you can go with home, and then you can simply go and repost something. Tap on repost and it will be reposted, right? So once you've reposted, now you just need to simply go with your profile again, and here you can scroll down on your profile, and here you will have the post that you've reposted. So if you want to remove the repost or delete the repost, what you need to do is again tap on the repost option and then tap on undo repost. And that's it. That's how you can delete your repost on your X. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.